hard drive swap in.
This case makes it very easy to remove and add hard drives. So in this specific setup, I'm going to have the hard drive. This is just a hard drive I had lying around, and they swap in really easy. I'm going to do it one-handed. There we go. You want to get these things lined up right here. The tabs. They do have some adjustment. So that's in. That's in. This side is in and in. So you'll see here that it goes into where the screw would normally go in. So that's no big deal. Done, done. And I have it set up this way so that all my cabling will be on the outside. And it just slides in like so. Now it's in. Now it won't get pulled out. Now my cabling is going to come down here. So I have the SATA, which will allow those plug in right away. And I'm going to have the cabling come down, and I'm going to have it go through here. So all the cabling is going to come down on this side of the case and then terminate inside onto the motherboard where necessary.
So when you have the right case, swapping in components or taking components out is a breeze. Thanks for watching.